Hi, my name is Carly Markowitz, a special education teacher at Mamaroneck High School. Last year, I was fortunate to receive a grant from the Mamaroneck Schools Foundation to create the MHS Community Garden. Thanks to their support, we've been able to provide a space where students can connect with nature and engage in hands-on learning. This past spring, students in the Transition Academy program planted and nurtured herbs and vegetables, which have been used in cooking lessons and shared with our culinary program. Our garden has also become a place where students can relax, enjoy their lunch, and work together in and outside of the classroom. It's evolving into a hub for collaboration, learning, and sustainability. We're excited to see how this garden continues to grow and impact our community. A huge thank you to the Mamaroneck Schools Foundation for making this possible. If you're interested in supporting or getting involved, please reach out to me at cmarkowitz@mamkschools.org. Thanks.